megabit or megabyte? What's the difference between capital M BPS or capital M capital B PS? A bit is a binary digit. That's how it got its name. A binary digit or bit can have a value of either 0 or 1. That's how computers work with digital data. A lowercase b is used to represent a binary digit or bit. There are 8 binary digits or bits in a byte. A byte is also known as an octet because it has 8 bits in it. A byte is represented by an uppercase B. The 8 bits in a byte can store the computer code for a character such as a number, a letter, or a symbol. The letter A is represented in binary digits or bits as the byte 01000001. The letter B is represented in binary digits or bits as the byte 01000010. Digital data transmission is measured in bits per second or BPS. Today's internet connections can transfer millions of binary digits or bits every second. Because computers use the binary system, not the decimal system we use to count with, computer data is measured in powers of 2, not 10. This means that 2 to the power 10 is 1024. While the prefix kilo, as in kilometre or kilogram, means 1000, because of the binary system, a kilobyte is 1024 bytes. To calculate the values for the other computer prefixes like mega, giga, and tera, we just multiply the next size down by 1024. A megabyte is 1024 kilobytes. A gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. A terabyte is 1024 gigabytes, and so on. The binary system is also the reason that computer things are always measured in 8s, 16s, 32s, 64s, 128s, 256s, 512s, and, you guessed it, 1024s. A megabit, written as capital M, small b, is 1024 kilobits, or 1024 times 1024, which equals 1,048,576 binary digits or bits. A megabyte, or capital M, capital B, is 1024 kilobytes. As each byte is made of 8 bits, we can see that a megabyte is 8 times 1,048,576, or 8,388,608 bits. So a megabyte, capital M, capital B, is 8 times bigger than a megabit, capital M, small b. My internet connection has a download speed of over 600 megabits per second and an upload speed of almost 600 megabits per second. That's an astonishing 75 megabytes per second of data transfer both ways. With such fast data transfer speeds, I can upload a video English lesson like this one in just a few seconds. When I started making video English lessons in 2009, it took several hours to upload the same size file. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and hope that you'll click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, and don't forget to visit Britlish.com, where you can support my work by buying some of my great English learning material. I'll be back with a new video English lesson soon. Goodbye for now.